In the name of who, good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you, wherever you are in the world. We are in Sydney, Australia. Time now in Sydney is 3:56 p.m. Date is 16th of the 1st, 2025. This is the part 2 for the forecast I did for you guys on Monday, Sydney time. If you have time, please watch this video. That was about Bitcoin and some other currency, and that was the forecast we did for you guys. And if you like, you can watch this video first, and then whatever I am going to do now, I'm going to upload it soon, then you can watch what happened. So before I go to the chart, in the name of who, pause the video and read this, and I go to the chart where I explain to you what happened. If you remember, on Monday I've got a screenshot for the Bitcoin. We explained to you guys the possibility of direction for the Bitcoin and the forecast we did for you guys. So the price was here. I show you the screenshot that I have for the Bitcoin. Let me see which one was that here. As you can see, the Bitcoin on the 15 minutes time frame, this is the screenshot which I did on Monday. The price was here, and I explained to you guys, if price come into our area of the buying zone, if we get a signal, we can buy it to this level, and if the price goes to above this level of $94,301 American dollars in this area, we can sell it. If the price continue going up to this level of the selling zone, and then we get a signal to sell, we can sell it to this level. And I always mention these are a TP1, which is when he hit, it would bounce back up again, or same thing that I did for you guys. For this one would be TP1 too, and if the price come and hit this one, it might bounce back down again. So these are I explained to you guys on Monday, and details here. You can watch this video which I uploaded 3 days ago. So let me go to the chart and see what happened. When we did that, the price was here, and I mentioned if the price come into our buying zone, which price came to our buying zone, you can see, and then we say if we get a signal like this green arrow in this area, we can buy it to this level of 93,664 American dollars. This platform is based on American dollars, and price went right down, and we did not enter to the trade because we did not have any signal. This is our way to do the trade. This is our system. We do not enter to the trade with blind eyes. We have to have a signal, and then the indicator we have our team, my friend, he make those indicator, and he's a really genius guy, as I have explained to you before. So when we don't get the signal, we do not enter to the trade. This is our way to do. So we did not have any signal here. As you can see, the price came and hit the level that I predict for you on Monday. So and then price went up, we had a signal, so it is not worth it to enter because already hit the level, and then eventually went up. So let me show you something interesting. As you can see, this is on 50 minutes time frame. If I change the time frame, which I never do this, let me put the vertical line on this beginning of the video I did for you guys on Monday. I show you this screenshot which was here. Okay, if I choose the time frame, which as I said, I never do that, I stick to the time frame I do. We are not like other traders from jumping from 4 hours to 1 hour for daily to 4 hours, or 4 hours to 15 minutes. No, if we find some level through the software we stick to that level. But as I show you before, I'm going to explain it again. If I change the 15 minutes time frame to 5 minutes time frame, we go back to the location. I show you this. Okay, this is the location that I put the vertical line. As you can see here, we have a signal to buy, one more signal, and then we have another signal here to buy, and another signal here to buy to this level. Okay, and the price went up and hit that level. So from here, say imagine we enter to the trade with this, would be about this much pip. Okay, and if we enter to the trade here, as I explained to you guys before, we put a virtual stop loss which is closest support, which is here, and then according to our taking profit 1:2 ratio, we can actually put a stop loss, or we put a stop loss here, but we will wait to see if the first candlestick is red. We do not close the trade in loss. We will wait for the second candlestick, which is this one. If it's this one red, we close it on loss. If it's green, we keep continuing. So this stop loss would be virtual. It's not actually virtual stop loss, because if you put a stop loss, the platform would take your stop loss and then you lose money. So you have to wait for the first candlestick to pass. If it's red, don't get panic. Wait for the second candlestick. If the second candlestick is red, then you close it in a loss. But if it's green, you can actually enter to the trade for the second time if you are greedy. If not, conservative, just keep continue as you enter, and then the price go up and hit that level. So you can see, so we had opportunity twice to do this. But this is when we did it on the 15 minutes time frame. I don't actually change the time frame, but this is the way we do. And then price went up, okay, went to the selling zone, as I have mentioned to you guys on this video. Please watch this video carefully. I explain to you everything here. So when we went to the selling zone area, and then we have a signal to sell, and then it hit the level. It came down but did not come to this level to buy, so it just hit the level and went up right now, and then price is here now. As you can see now, the price is 99,563. This is live chart, live account. This level was in past, which I found it about 1 week ago, so I left it. So as you can see again, we have a signal to sell, and then we could sell to enter to this level. Okay, that was for the Bitcoin. And then we had nothing for the gold, nothing for this pound Canada. So pound Canada is this. Let me show you the pound Canada. That is pound Canada. Let me find the pound Canada screenshot. This is pound Canada. Okay, the price was here. This is a screenshot on Monday, and I mentioned the price has to go up to those level. And when we hit the TP1, normally, as I have explained to you, 70% of the time market would bounce back like trampoline. So let's go to the pound Canada live chart now. As you can see, price was here when I made a video, and price went down. We had a signal to buy to this level, 1 signal, 2 signal, and 3 signal. Okay, and price went up and hit the level. Okay, so we had couple of opportunity to buy the level, and as I mentioned to you, when it hit the TP1 would bounce down again like a trampoline, but eventually would go up, and the price is here right now. As you can see, the price is here right now. So that was for the pound Canada. New Zealand CHF, let me do the New Zealand CHF. We mentioned the price coming down to this area of the buying. If the price come to this area, then we can buy it to this level, and if the price pass this green line, come to this selling zone, we can sell it. So price did not come, so this is still valid. So this prediction, this forecast is still valid, and if the price coming down to this level of the buying, we can buy to this level, and if coming up to this level, we can sell it. So this is valid. And we had pound Japan. Pound Japan, the price was here. Okay, and we had a couple of signals to buy to this level. As you can see, price came right up. If we put the stop loss here, okay, if we put virtual stop loss here, if we enter to the trade, we will wait either 10 pip under this candlestick we put this red one, or with the ratio of the 2 and 1. So you see like how much here is about 300. So you put 100 pip down as a stop loss. Okay, and this one went up right to this level, and if we put the trade in this one, and we had this red candlestick, and second time we would close it in loss, so you would lose this much. You would lose about 50 pip, but you enter again here up to here, you could win about 230 pips. So market come and close to TP1 but did not hit the TP1, and market is here, and still if we enter to the trade, still this is valid and it's gonna go up. So pound Australia, let me see pound Australia. If we have pound Australia, what we have said the price coming to our buying zone. We get a signal, as you can see we had a signal, but then it's not worth it to enter to the trade, and market went up, went to the selling zone, and market hit. If I go to the 5 minutes time frame, let me go back again, and I put a vertical line here to show you. If I go to the 5 minutes time frame, right, just see what happened, if we have a signal or not. So market came to our buying zone, we had signal to buy to this level and hit the level. So market went up, we had a couple of signal to sell to this level, and then it hit the level. Okay, so this one was correct. Let me put the things here. The forecast was correct, but I did for you guys on Monday. You can watch because I cannot change whatever I have said 3 days ago. It came true, so I cannot change the time on the YouTube channel or anything like that. So this is not offline, this is real account, this is live chart, live account, but we are not responsible for your action. We just teach you how to trade. This is only education and information side. All right, so let me go to see pound USD. We didn't have any, and euro Australia we didn't have. This is from past, and euro USD nothing. So whatever I gave you on Monday regarding the Bitcoin and another couple of currency, it came true. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Thanks for watching. Please look after yourself and your family. As I have mentioned before, we are not responsible for your action. This is only education and information side. We give you free signal, free level. You try it on your demo account. If you learn how to trade, you can do it yourself with your own risk. So please look after yourself and your family. As I always say, in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finished.